To start the booking, click on Picked Up and update the status. Understanding the invoice schedule is the key to creating a successful repeat booking. With the start date and cycle date fields, you can set the frequency and how the invoices should be generated. Start date is the date, which is defined as the date from which the invoices has been generated. Usually, it is the booking date, but in some cases it may be different. For example, if a customer picks up the car late and your deal is to start payment to the next day, then you can set the start date to the next date. The cycle date from which you require your upcoming invoices to be created. For example, if the invoice day is Friday, but you require upcoming weekly invoices from Tuesday, then set the cycle date will be Tuesday. If you leave the cycle date field empty for the system to automatically consider the start date as the cycle date. If the assigned inventory is not functioning, you can swap it by choosing the date, time, and new inventory from the drop-down, then submitting the changes. If the booking is no longer needed, you have the option to delete it. Add additional customers by clicking the Add button and searching for available clients. Put comment to the booking if required. Additionally, you can share the booking details with the customer by clicking Send Email.